What's going on guys, Christian here, and today I have a very short video for you guys. I'm gonna show you how to factory unlock your Samsung Galaxy S9. Now before we start, I wanna explain a couple of things. This is not a passcode unlock, so if you have a phone that is currently locked with a security code, or if you forgot the PIN of your phone, this method will not work. Keep in mind that this is a network unlock, and this simply means that we're gonna unlock the network of your phone, and in the end you're gonna be able to use your phone with any carrier worldwide. So AT&T, T-Mobile, MetroPCS, any carrier in any country, your phone is gonna be compatible. This is a very simple process, and I'm gonna show you how to do it step by step. Nothing bad is gonna happen to your phone, your warranty won't be voided. In fact, there are only good things that you can get out of unlocking your phone. For example, your phone is gonna be worth much more if you wanna resell it later, because you can sell it to anyone, regardless of which service provider they use. Alright, so to unlock your phone, you have three different options. One option is to take your phone to a local phone shop, and they might unlock it for you. It may take between 5 to 15 days, and the prices are usually quite high. Another option is to go to a store of your service provider and ask them to unlock your phone for you. Sometimes they might do it for you, but most of the times they will tell you no, or you need to meet certain different things to qualify for an unlock. So it's not a very efficient process. And the third method is my personal favorite, and that's the one I'm gonna show you right now. You can do it yourself using your computer, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Now keep in mind that it's not free, but it is by far my favorite and the best method to unlock your phone. Alright, so let's begin. So to start, we're gonna get the phone's IMEI number. That's a unique number for every phone. So to get it, simply dial *#06#. As you will see, your 15-digit IMEI number will appear in the screen of your phone. This number is very important. It represents the ID of your phone, and keep it somewhere close because we're gonna use it in a few seconds to unlock this phone. Okay, now we're gonna switch to the computer. Alright, so open your internet browser and go to the website UnlockRiver.com. We're gonna use this website to request the unlock code to unlock this phone. So first you need to fill in the information about the phone you want to unlock in this form. Okay, so we're gonna select the carrier. I'm gonna select AT&T, United States, because that's the original place where my phone was bought. Then I'm gonna select the manufacturer. I'm gonna select Samsung, and then we're gonna select the model, Samsung Galaxy S9 or Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Then the most important part is to enter your phone's IMEI number. That's the number we got a few seconds ago, so make sure it is 100% correct. It is very, very important. If there's a mistake here, this method will not work. And the last step is to write down your personal email address where you want to receive your unlock code. Also, make sure it is 100% correct. Okay, if you scroll down, you're gonna see the price and the delivery time to receive the unlock code in your email. Now keep in mind that these are business days, so sometimes it may take a little bit shorter, sometimes it may take a little bit longer, and the prices will always vary depending on your phone's brand, carrier, and model. Okay, I'm gonna hit unlock now, and on the following page, you're gonna see a summary of your order. So double check everything here. Try to read everything in this page, it is quite important, but don't worry, everything is 100% safe. I have unlocked hundreds of phones using this method. Okay, we're gonna scroll all the way down, and I'm gonna go ahead and place my order. It's gonna take a few seconds, and I'm gonna be back once my order has been placed successfully. Okay, so if you did everything correctly, you're gonna get a screen just like this. It basically confirms that your order was placed, and now it is currently processing. As I said before, the processing times may always vary, so be very patient. It may be very fast sometimes, but sometimes it may also take a little bit longer, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so after you have waited the estimated amount of time, you're gonna get an email, and I'm gonna show you how the email will look like. Let's go to my personal email account. I use Gmail, and as you can see here, I've got this email from UnlockRiver saying that my unlock code is ready. Perfect, let's open it. And as you can see here, it says your Samsung unlock code is ready. And here you have also step-by-step instructions on how to enter the unlock code. And the most important part, the actual unlock code. This is a unique code and will only work for one specific phone based on the IMEI number. Okay, so the final step is to enter this unlock code into the phone. Alright, so to enter the unlock code, make sure your phone is completely turned off. And now we're gonna insert a non-supported SIM card. For example, my phone is currently locked to AT&T. I'm going to insert a SIM card from T-Mobile, or it can be any other SIM card that is different than the original carrier. Okay, then we're going to power on the phone. Let's wait a few seconds. And then you're going to get a message saying that your phone needs to be unlocked using an unlock code. Simply go ahead, enter the unlock code, hit unlock, and boom, this phone is now fully factory unlocked, and now it's ready to be used with any carrier. As you can see here guys, I have a full signal from T-Mobile, and my phone is now fully working and fully factory unlocked. It is as simple as that, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll try to answer all of your questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.